Good day everyone, my name is John Lawrence M. Noynay. Behind the camera is Franz Marie Arzuban, and for today's video we're going to conduct an interview regarding the good citizenship values embodied by the Filipinos or some of the Filipinos, including our interviewee. So with that said, let's go. Okay. To start off with our interview, we have Sir Manira. Sir, can you give your name and a brief description of your work?
Okay, by the way, I'm from Manasol po. Service operation. Siya ako nagtatrabaho sa service.
So you've been 6 years, sir. Ano po yung ginagawa ng your daily?
Usually, busy ko talaga sa pinaka-ginagawa ko talaga is prayer, yun, Bible reading. Doon ako naging malakas at yung sa edad ko ngayon, medyo may edad na rin. Doon ako nakakahubot at lakas para gawa na yung trabaho ko. At unang-una, ang pinaka-ano talaga yung mahal ko yung trabaho ko para kaya hindi din ako buhay namin.
So ano po yung sir, your job? Ano po yung ginagawa niyo sa ASP?
Dito, usually housekeeping talaga. Housekeeping, dilis and storage, or dilis talaga. Yan lang, or dilis. Yes, bilang tao po, mahalaga po sa isang tao na makadyo siya, mapagmahal sa kalikasan, at mabuting tao sa kapwa. Napakahalaga po yun. Kasi bilang isang tao is, kung ano po yung ginagalaw ko, na-adapt ko ng ibang tao, at yun ay bilang isang tao na mabuting yung ginagalaw siya. Bilang isang marunong po, unang-una, discipline. Discipline kung paano ko kagalaw din ng isang tao na mayroong daladalang disiplina sa paglilinis ng unang-una sa aking area, ganoon din sa komunidad na aking gagalawan, dapat mapanatili rin yung kalinisan. Hindi lamang din sa trabaho namin, maging sa ibang tao, paligid, dapat ma-maintain din yung kaalisan at kalinisan sa ating isa. Unang dala na naman sa pag-araw, alam yung sirkulasyon sa trabaho, kasibagan at maging mabuting tao sa kapwa. Pagpagitan ng magandang asal, magandang pag-isakan, maging sa labas ng nakakagawa. Sa aking pananaw sa aking pagtingin, ang mga Pilipino ay bigas na religyoso, bigas na matasawin, at bigas na matulungin. Matulungin sila sa kapwa nila Pilipino at sila nga ay disiplinado sa aking pananaw. Sa aking pananaw, dapat maging tulong na at maging mapapaayos na pamilya at tao dahil sa family, dapat naging family, yung pagmamahalan at isa ko yung labas, dapat napapakita natin yung tunali na maayos dahil pag mayroon tayong mga nakakasabay na medyo iba ako dahil dapat alam natin kung paano tayo mag-adjust and dapat maging humble tayo for the others na talagang medyo tawag.
Humans benefit from understanding good citizenship principles because they promote accountability, community, and collaboration. It aids people in making beneficial contributions to society, fosters social harmony, and addresses group problems or issues.
For our nation to function in its greatness, I believe being a pagkamakatao as a good citizenship value is the major catalyst for our nation building.
Talents and skills, your greatest gift to the nation is a combination of your abilities and talents. Your country has to pick from it some manner, regardless of whether you are talented in arts, sciences, or sports, and more.
Sir Ramon's answer about starting his day or work with devotion aroused my attention. It is heartwarming to know that he consistently prays to the Lord and reads the Bible in his daily life. I agree with Sir Ramon that our actions can inspire others. By wishing good for everyone, there is a chance that goodness will be reciprocated.
Empathy and tolerance promote cooperation and understanding among various groups, creating a more harmonious environment. Furthermore, concentrating on environmental stewardship encourages sustainability, essential for our country's long-term well-being.
Probably the most significant was the fact that our interviewee is able to uphold being makajos as a good citizenship value, because recently I have been seeing a decline in terms of faith amongst people, so it's quite refreshing to see one who is a strong faith and believes in our God.
So discipline, because in every person's life, one of their most significant personality features It allows a set of standards that must be followed when engaging in any work or activity. It is a strategy for the sincere, diligent, inspired, and motivated throughout any endeavor.
Having a kind personality for all, regardless of whether they are poor or rich, means that you do not choose who to help and treat everyone equally. It is wonderful to live in an environment filled with pure goodness and truth, as it brings peace of mind.
So the experience that I'm going to share to you is that this happened when I was in 8th grade. I was really down. I was really in the rock bottom of my life, and ang daming problema, ang daming nangyayari. It even came to a point where I wanted to end everything. And dun lumabas yung pagiging maka-Diyos ko kasi I know that God did not give me these problems. Para lang, sukuan yun.
I believe I engage in this behavior almost on a daily basis. I am not bragging but rather proud that my parents instilled in me the values of treating all individuals with fairness and equality, and consistently choosing to be humble in all aspects of life. As I traveled from school to our residence in Rizal, I would typically take jeepneys as my mode of transportation. On one occasion, I found myself at the back of the jeepney where passengers disembark and embark or get off and get on. A woman who appeared to be in her 40s or mid-50s was attempting to board the vehicle with a multitude of belongings. Without hesitation, I assisted her by taking hold of her belongings and placing them in the aisle, facilitating her entry onto the jeepney.
As an example of good citizenship value, I always uphold and give respect to our country by singing our national anthem and abiding by the existing rules and laws in our country.
Share a specific experience where you displayed your good citizenship values. So respect, observe the neighbors, respect your surroundings, participate, take part in local events, participate in your neighborhood, and learn. Be conscious of your surroundings and attentive to what is going on.